You do a vlog.
Our pets.
It's over there. Okay, can you see? You can zoom in.
I'm a lion.
It's over there.
I'm a lion.
My face is glowing, so our faces are glowing. I'm sweating. This is not highlight or anything. It's sweat.
Sweat.
Oh my god, we should take a bunch of pictures. See, look at this. I don't know how to vlog.
They didn't write my name. That's really sad. I spent $9 on this.
It's freaking
Legit $9. But it's
for
fine.
one freaking drink.
It's fine.
It's blue whipped cream.
Yeah, it's good. I did not try it, but hi.
We're at Starbucks. A drink. Where is it? Where is it? Freaking. It's $9.40. For
Good.
this.
It's good. It's good.
But it's good.
It's like the holiday, that's why. Yeah, I didn't know why it's expensive. It's because of the holiday. Yeah.
I thought holiday used to be sale one. We're gonna try to like dress
Cold.
as much as we can before we have to do like more walking. We still have to go boobies because like I'm going to the beauty for one store. Like,
Oh my
I need
god,
that
there's
beauty
so
one.
much sugar. Bullet journaling. That's here, and I'll talk to them. Remember to follow my Instagram and her Instagram. Here. I didn't see the turtles. I'm sorry. I'm still eating the sour patch. Use this as tissue paper. Clean the teeth. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys a stationery haul she has because there's nothing to do. Pink washi tape. This chunky
Put the
washi
thing over
tape.
here.
This
It's
panda.
not
This panda. Straw.
Straw? Because it's straw. She became like crazy after she drank that.
Another washi tape.
I love watching it. Yesterday was what day? 18.
Yes.
Okay. Sorry for interrupting.
This. Oh, emoji pen. 0 point. I'm doing the math.
Wait, what day does it end? What day is Sunday?
What day is Sunday? Okay, I'll find a calculator.
Calculator or calendar? She's literally out of her mind.
Subscribe and you get it for free. You wanna see her bag? This is her bag. It's a clear bag. Okay, story time. Okay, then you.
What?
Sorry, story time. So, a very sad day later. So, it was a really sad day. I was really sad because my friends keep bullying. So, I was a really sad day.
Look at him! The cat!
Focus on.
End of story time. Oh, we did like a Starbucks video.
Yeah, but like, wait, she posted it. I didn't do no.
It's over here, this side or this side. I don't know what side. But yeah.
We're gonna go now. I don't wanna go now.
Finish a drink. I've been waiting you for finish a drink. You'll be staying in your freaking story time.
But BTS. You want to try it again? Oh, good.
We're leaving Starbucks. It's really hot. We're gonna go there.
Oh my god!
We went through a lot. We took a lot of photos. We
Keep on the ground day.
We jammed to Ariana Grande. We're just walking back now. We're going to Boogies. But yeah, there's a bunch of shops here. But yeah, so we're going into Boogies now. See you. I'm so tired. I can't breathe. We're at the pop-up store.
Nani